Guys, welcome to Crypto Owners. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can unban your lunarcrush account. So let me tell you how my account got banned. So I created a video. I was saying I want to cash out and want to withdraw my tokens. So I went and tried to withdraw my tokens. After claiming the token, my account got banned. So if you try to withdraw all your lunarcrush, at the end your account will be banned. So avoid withdrawing all of your lunarcrush. So then I checked some of the community guidelines. So you can only withdraw 25% of your earning of your lunarcrush. So if you're having problems or seeing other people their account has been banned, these some of the reasons why their account has been banned. So there's another way. So there are different ways you can get your account to be unbanned. So first of all, to get unbanned, you need to link your Discord account to your lunarcrush. So I've already done that. So let me show you my Discord account. So when you enter your Discord account, you need to go to the lunarcrush. So when you enter the lunarcrush, all you need to do is go to scroll down and then look at banned appeals. So click on help, I am banned. So after clicking on that, then you click on open unban request channel. So it may not work for you for now, but you keep trying every 1 hour, okay, or tomorrow it will work, okay. So after doing that, you see there will be a ticket that will be created with your username. So that ticket will be created with your username so that you can chat with the admin or the lunarcrush community so that they can solve your problem and get your account to be unbanned. So what they need you is to give them a good reason so that they can unban your account. They'll ask you what are the reasons that you are using lunarcrush. Okay, then you just tell them everything that you're using lunarcrush. You are using lunarcrush so that you can earn lunarcrush and get more information about the crypto market so that you can invest in a good token. So that's some of the things you need to be telling them so that they can unban your account. But if you told them you're just coming to earn lunarcrush and withdraw, that would be a problem. So just tell them you are just using the lunarcrush to get more information on how to earn free cryptocurrency. Not how to earn free cryptocurrency, sorry for that. So also to know how the market is going and new projects that are going on the crypto market. So that's what you need to tell them. So please, I hope at the end of this video I'll get that subscribe.